go really fast.
Okay.
Where even is the park?
There.
Hey, I remember going up here.
Good job, Caleb. If you want, that'll get you really strong. Yeah, when you get to that speed hump, I'd stand up for the rest of the hill. It's only short. It's going to get really tough now. Don't power too hard. I'm standing up too now. Oh, wobbly. Doing good, Caleb. That's it, just take your time. Right, just keep left, just keep going. Keep waiting for us. Good job. You just climbed a massive hill. Look how high up we are. Oh, watch out, car. Look how high up we climbed, Caleb. There's the park down there. Can you see the city? There's the city.